How to download ChatGPT on Android. First of all, you will not need to go to the Google Play Store. You will just need to go to Google Chrome. So go ahead and click on the Google Chrome app. If you've not got it downloaded already, you will need to download it. But once you have, all you want to do is type in the URL of the ChatGPT website, which is chat.openai.com. Once you're on that website, you can log in, or if you've not got an account already, you can create an account. But eventually, you'll need to click the top right-hand corner where you see the three little dots. You want to click on there, and then towards the bottom of the pop-up that comes up, you will see a button where it says Add to Home Screen. You're going to want to click on that button, whether you've logged in or not, it doesn't actually matter. And then you'll want to remove this URL here, then just go ahead and type in ChatGPT. Then once you've typed that in, you just want to click on Add. And then after you click Add, you want to do the same at the bottom there, Add to Home Screen, just like that. So once that's done, you'll be able to go on the home page of your Android. You should be able to see it there. It should pop up. You can go ahead and click on it and just use ChatGPT as you wish, as you would on the computer. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.